To trade a market reversal effectively, you need more than a gut feeling. You need objective criteria that signal when price momentum reaches its limit. Over the next 6 minutes, you will learn a systematic approach to market entries using customized Bollinger Bands and the Relative Strength Index. We will cover the specific settings required for this method, the strict rules for your entries, and how to identify the market conditions that lead to false signals for most beginners. Open TradingView or your preferred charting software now so you can follow the configuration step by step. By pairing these two indicators, you can define a rules-based environment where market movements are filtered through specific mathematical thresholds. First, open your Indicators tab, type in Bollinger Bands, and add them to your chart. The default settings need to be adjusted for this strategy. Open the Settings menu, change the length to 30, and keep the standard deviation at 2. For better visibility, you may want to remove the background fill and change the band lines to a solid color, like red, so they are distinct against the price action. This center moving average calculates the previous 30 candlesticks to establish a baseline. The upper and lower standard deviation boundaries expand and contract based on volatility, creating a channel containing most price action. When price moves aggressively outside these bands, it is statistically overextended, increasing the probability it will revert to the average. In this way, the Bollinger Bands act as a visual boundary, flagging moments when an asset's price is potentially primed for a reversal. Next, return to the Indicators tab and search for the Relative Strength Index. Before applying it, change the length value from the default 14 to 13. This slight adjustment helps the indicator react more effectively to the 30-period Bollinger Bands. Leave the visual background bands at their standard levels, 70 for the upper limit and 30 for the lower limit. The RSI measures momentum. When the line pushes above 70, the asset is considered overbought. When it drops below 30, it is oversold. While the Bollinger Bands identify price extremes, the RSI measures the strength behind those moves, acting as a mandatory filter to validate if a reversal is likely. For a short trade, two conditions must be met. Price must cross above the upper Bollinger Band, and the RSI must push above 75. For a long trade, the price must cross below the lower Bollinger Band, and the RSI must drop below 25. In this Apple stock example, the price drops below the bottom band, but the RSI holds at 30, failing to reach our 25 threshold. This is a no-trade zone. Moments later, the RSI dips to 20, while price remains outside the band. This triggers the entry, and the price reverts back to the average. By demanding these RSI extremes of 75 and 25, you filter out weaker signals and focus on high-probability setups where the market is most overextended. Now, we must address the specific market condition where this strategy, and most mean reversion systems, will struggle: sideways consolidating markets. You can see the warning sign on the chart when the Bollinger Bands become extremely tight and narrow around the price action. During these periods, the RSI will remain tame, hovering flatly in the middle of the channel without reaching any extremes. When the market breaks out of this tight consolidation, it often does so with massive momentum in one direction. Attempting a mean reversion trade here is risky, as the price may not return to the average for a long time. To protect your capital, follow this rule: do not trade when the bands are constricted. Recognizing these low volatility periods is what separates a disciplined trader from one who repeatedly enters into losing breakouts. To find even more precise reversal points, you can look for a technical setup known as divergence. In this scenario, watch for the price to drop, creating a new lower low marked by this downward trend line. However, in the bottom panel, the RSI forms a higher low. Even though price is dropping, momentum is trending upward. If the price breaks the lower band while the RSI shows this upward divergence, it indicates that momentum has shifted, signaling a high probability reversal. You now have the exact configuration for this mean reversion system installed on your own software. Success depends on your patience. Waiting for the exact RSI triggers is essential for the strategy to work as intended. Like this video if you successfully set up your chart today. For another approach to technical setups, click the link on screen to watch our deep dive into the MACD indicator.